Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 20. Get ready for the jingle. So it's another beautiful day here in sunny Colorado. It's actually a bit chilly here. It's 34 degrees. I think our high is only 39. That said, it's a beautiful sunny day here, and I'm not sure when winter's gonna be starting this year. Maybe sometime during Vlogmas, maybe not. We usually actually get most of our snowfall in January and February and March. And then when you're ready for the nice warm springtime, we'll usually get another big dumping right around Mother's Day. This little guy waits for me on the table every day while I'm outside doing my intro. I don't know why, but yeah, he's here waiting. Hello, Jax. And here comes Bandit. Hello, Beanie. Oh, you're probably wanting some food, huh? Are you wanting some food? Is your bowl empty? Ooh, and you don't have any water either. There you go. Good boy. So today I think we're gonna go get pedicures, and then I have to finish quilting and basting my January truck of the month. I think I showed you that last night. I'll show you another view of it today. And then we have knit night again tonight, and I do have to edit Vlogmas for tomorrow. So we have kind of a busy day, but it's all fun stuff. I have been feeling a little bit rushed this month. I think it's partially because of Vlogmas. Vlogmas is a lot of like hustle, bustle, and work. And so now that we have kind of the major things out of the way, I think we're gonna just slow it down a little bit. We're gonna try and just do some kind of fun stuff. And then next week we're doing our Christmas celebrations. So yeah, I can't believe we're already, you know, this far into Vlogmas, and the holidays are already almost here. So it's a little bit crazy, but I hope you guys are enjoying our videos. We're having a lot of fun, and yeah, let's go ahead and get started with our day. Okay, so I realized the other night when we were at knit night, I never really showed you, I mean, I kind of showed you what I was working on, but if you're curious, I am just working on a hat, and I'm kind of making it up as I go. I'm doing like a little cable. This is just going to be a nice, fun, chunky hat, but I wanted to show you the ball of yarn that I'm working with also, because I carded this and hand spun it myself, and so I just think it is so fun and pretty. And so each time we get to like a new color, it's kind of self-striping, I guess. But I carded this with just a bunch of merino, like fun colors that are in my, here's my cable needle, just a bunch of fun colors that were in my stash. And then I just did this kind of white creamy base. And then I don't know if you can tell, but I plied it with just a white mercerized cotton. Is it? Or is it silver? Oh, I applied this one with a silver, actually. So it's got a little bit of sparkle in it. But anyways, it's going well. That's what I'm working on. I don't know if I'm going to bring that tonight, because I also have another project I need to get work on. So here is the other project that I'm working on, and this is the one I might actually bring tonight. I kind of like to switch it up when we go to knit night, so I get a little bit of work on different things. But this is actually a baby blanket pattern that I'm turning into a scarf. It uses these organic cotton spools. This is from Appalachian Baby, and so it's actually a baby blanket, but it's really soft, and I love cotton. And so I thought it would be kind of a nice scarf. So I've also got that one. I'm obviously switching between 3 different colors, and each time you switch the color, you switch to a different texture. And so that makes this scarf really fun to work on. So I'm either going to bring either of these two, or I could also bring this chunky scarf. This is the wrong side. This chunky scarf that I kind of showed you guys last time when I unboxed and got my little mini set in the mail. So that's an option. And then the other one that I probably actually should bring is this one. So my mom and Olivia and I are all making this blanket together. This is a puff daisy. It's actually a baby Afghan, but we're making it for my daughter Olivia. Her whole room is sunflowers. And so between all of us, we have made these puff daisy blocks. This is a crochet project, and all the blocks are done. I just need to sew them together. And so that's what all of this is. And so I've been kind of procrastinating because I need to look up how to do that. And anyways, I probably should bring this with me tonight and see how many of these I can get sewn together. So I have a few projects that I can bring. I just need to decide which one. And then of course we have a Jax here hanging out, looking out his favorite window. So here's our ornament for today. It is this cute little star ornament, and this one is one of my favorites because it just looks so quilty and fun. And yeah, here's my back. You can kind of see how I travel around or don't travel depending on the color. And yeah, here's our ornament for today. By the way, I hope you guys are enjoying this fun sew along. So I think it's been so much fun. I'm sure it's been a lot of work if you've been doing both of them, but they're really nice, fun, small projects, and they're great for beginners. So if you're interested in getting started, these are actually really good because they're so small and fast and easy. It's kind of like instant gratification. So anyways, here is our ornament for today. Okay, time for day 20. All right. Oh, these are like little handmade buttons. Those are cute. These would be awesome for bags. They're like hand painted. I've changed my setup. All my other ones are up here, and these ones are down here. Ooh, this one's pretty. All right, lavenders and blues and super fluff. Alrighty, and here's another sneak peek of my January truck of the month, and I just need to get it quilted and bound today, so I've got some batting. I'm thinking about this for the backing and maybe this for the binding. I think I do want to do a dark blue. I may or may not do this one, but anyways, that is what the block looks like. And then I actually did last night trace on with a friction erasable pin some steam coming out of the cup, and so I do need to embroider that. I think I'm going to do it with the batting on so it gives it kind of that hand quilted puffy texture. So I need to do that before I can do my quilting. Do you want to explain to me what's happening?
Katie and I have a system. We came up with this little, I'm here knocking these dust things down. She's down there catching them. Vacuum.
Wow.
Genius.
That is genius. Are you actually catching them?
So dusty up here.
Oh, gross.
Most of the time.
So this is how you clean your ceiling fan. Alrighty. Pretty clever, Katie.
Huh?
This one's pretty clever, you guys.
Alright, now.
Well, thank you for cleaning the fan. That's embarrassing, guys. Ew. Okay, so Olivia is working on a dress, and so we're actually cutting out a bunch of tulle, which is harder than it looks to cut because it's just slippery. So here is the dress that she's kind of working on. She's obviously got a lot of work to do, but she's making kind of a prom dress type of thing. Anyways, this has been kind of an ongoing project for a while. So if she finishes it, I'll try and show it on Instagram, but it definitely won't be during Vlogmas. Okay, so we are gonna make our house smell good today, and the only thing I'm missing is my star of anise, so you can add that in too, but really you just need some oranges, some cranberries, some cinnamon sticks, some cloves, and then a pot of water. And then you're just gonna put them all in there, and then you're gonna bring it to a boil, or like a rolling boil, and then once it is done doing that, you can just bring it to like a simmer, and then just let it simmer all afternoon, and it makes your house smell so good. So this is perfect to do if you're having people over for like a little holiday gathering, and you want your house to smell good. I'm gonna go ahead and just let this get to like a rolling boil and then turn it down and just let it simmer and make our house smell amazing. Okay, so this is the perfect kind of little light boil, and it is starting to make my house smell so good. So every year my Uncle Bill gets us one of these charcuterie board boxes. I don't know. Anyways, this one has all kinds of goodies in it. This is our favorite day. Normally I actually save it for the day after Christmas so we don't have to cook, but this one has to be refrigerated. So I'm gonna try, and I think we're gonna have to eat it sooner. But anyways, that is what is for lunch. By the way, someone was asking what's in this jar, and actually right now it's empty. Sometimes we have cookies and goodies in there, but the kids ate them all, so there's nothing in there right now. Sit. Sit. Shake. Shake. Okay, so Jason has come home and is wondering what this is, and I told him it was basically just like natural potpourri, but he wants to try and drink it, so that's what we're gonna do. You ready?
Yeah.
Don't burn yourself because it's probably hot. Like super hot.
What's in it?
Oranges, cranberries, cinnamon, cloves, water. Does it taste like anything? I mean, it must be horrible because you keep drinking it. Edible potpourri, guys. Does it taste good or no?
I mean, it doesn't taste bad. It doesn't taste good though.
Doesn't taste like anything?
No, it tastes like something.
Well, you're not supposed to drink it.
Tastes like flavored water.
Actually, you can put all of this stuff in some apple cider, and then you really can drink it.
It seems like
really
a
good.
waste if you just boil it for smell.
No, it smells good.
Did you call it potpourri? Isn't it potpourri?
Potpourri. Potpourri. I think it's spelled.
potpourri.
Yeah, probably. I think it's spelled potpourri, and so maybe it's potpourri.
I don't know. It kind of grows on you after you drink it a while.
All right, so we're gonna leave Jason here drinking his edible
Potpourri.
potpourri. I'm not a fan. It tastes. I think I have too many cloves in there for it to taste good. Jason likes it though. I'm not a fan. I can't even see your face.
Tastes good. You gotta drink more. You gotta get it on your palate so that you get used to it. And it's just drinking like hot flavored water. I could drink hot flavored water all day. I practically do.
It's called tea. Coffee. Okay, the girls and I are getting ready to go get our nails done, but we got a little delivery from Fat Quarter Shop, so I thought I would share it with you. So we have one of these little vintage housewife enamel needle minders. This one is so cute. And then some of the new B. Lori little sticky notes, which are adorable. There's also a Be in My Bonnet stitch card. This is card number K. A couple of different quilt patterns, Zurich and Alpine Blooms. We've got an Autumn Spice cross stitch pattern. This one is adorable, Farm Life. Look at that, is so cute. So this is another cross stitch pattern. Lori Holt's new vintage housewife cross stitch pattern, which is adorable. And then her flea market baskets cross stitch pattern. And then my favorite thing that came is this adorable bag, and this isn't one of their new project bags. It's really good size. It has a zipper on the top, and that'll be perfect for all of my new projects because I'm definitely starting to collect cross stitch projects, and I like to have them all in their own bag, especially my truck of the months. I like to keep these all in one bag because I use a lot of the same floss, and so all my patterns are in there, and then I've got all the floss and I can kind of reuse it that way because most of these are so small they don't take up a whole skein of floss, and I don't think you should have to buy new colors for each month. You can of course make them any color you want, but this is my January one, which I think is adorable, and then I did that fancy, it's hard to tell on camera, but I did that fancy metallic thread on there, so I thought that was super cute. Anyways, all that to say, I think I'm gonna put all of my trucks of the month in that blue bag because that way they'll have their own bag and I can keep everything together. And then here is the binding that I decided to go with for this. I was gonna do a navy, but I don't know, it just looked like too much. And this is actually some fabric I've had for a while. This is a Bonnie and Camille day sale print. So it's actually like a summer print, but I thought it looked like little snowflakes, and then it matches the one I put in the window. So I thought that might be kind of a cute binding. And then for the back side, I just did this kind of tan gingham because I kind of had it and it seemed to fit. I emptied some of the fabric out of Jax's basket so he could like fit a little better. I don't know, buddy. I think you need a bigger basket. Okay guys, this is the day of Happy Mail. I got these two little bags. These are from Goose Designs, and I will link her below as well, but she had reached out to me and asked if she could send me some project bags for all of my new cross stitch, and she did, and they're adorable. My favorite one is the sunflowers, but then we also have this super cute penguin, polar bear one as well, so those are adorable. So thank you so much, Denise. That was very nice. And she even sent a nice little card. And then from one of my favorite tool designers, I got this little surprise in the mail. This is from Modern American Vintage, and it is a really cool seam ripper, and it has a little story that goes with it. It says, "This handmade item is hereby certified to have been made from the Shawshank tree. Half of the tree fell down due to a storm in late July 2011. The other half of the tree was damaged in another storm in July 2016. Due to the damage that tree had sustained, it had to be removed." And it came with this little card that has the information all over it, and it's absolutely amazing. So thank you so much, Chris. That was really cool to come home to. All right, the girls and I are stopping to get a pedicure, so it should be lots of fun.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time.
All right, guys, so we have ordered a little bit of dinner. We're obviously back from knitting. We're gonna hang out, eat some dinner. I think I'm gonna try and finish binding my January quilt block so that I can get that finished and finalized and up for you guys. So that should be available in the next day or two. And then I think that's gonna be it for today. We're just gonna hang out and relax the rest of the night. So thank you so much for joining us for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. And as always, we will see you tomorrow for some more Vlogmas. Bye. It uses these organic cotton spools from... All right, guys, our ornament for today 10. Blah. Alrighty, and then we have to open up this.
Kitty.
I can't read it because I'll need my glasses.
You have your glasses on. Why is it fuzzy? That feels like it'd be hard to sew with. Or
Knit with?
Or whatever.
Yeah. I don't think so. Like, once you get it wound up, I mean, it's just like...
I'm sorry, what? There's no way you can knit with that.
Yeah, you can. Okay.
You gotta get the angles. Give me this. You gotta, like, go up.
All right, the girls and I are stopping off to get some pedicures, and we'll try and film a little bit, but it's always awkward in there, so maybe not. One more time, because, like, then she did it, and then you did it. Get ready, go. And I showed you this one the other day. This is... Oh, focus.